In the heart of the Allbors Mountains, where the thin air carries both silence and mystery, life continues its ancient rhythm. The slopes, though rugged and cold, are filled with resilient plants and unseen creatures that have learned to survive where few others can. As the camera glides over the vegetation, the hidden world beneath the leaves slowly reveals itself. A colony of aphids thriving in perfect cooperation. Nearby, concealed among the green, a solitary grasshopper waits motionless, its color blending perfectly with the surroundings. The green grasshopper, Tetigionia viridissima, a master of camouflage, belongs to the family Tetigoniidae. Its vibrant coloration not only conceals it from predators, but also helps it regulate body temperature by reflecting sunlight. Beneath the microscope, the calm insect transforms into a mechanical wonder. Its exoskeleton appears like armor, and the serrated mandibles hint at its predatory diet of smaller insects. Through the macro lens, the grasshopper's anatomy becomes extraordinary. Large compound eyes with thousands of lenses detect even the slightest movement. Long thread-like antennae sense chemical cues in the air. And its powerful hind legs, equipped with muscle fibers stronger than steel by weight, are designed for explosive jumps. Further along the mountain trail, a peculiar plant catches the eye. Its leaves are dense with white woolly hairs, each acting as a miniature shield. This is the Astragalus microcephalus, one of the most common mountain legumes of Iran's Alborz range. These hair-like structures, called trichomes, serve several critical functions. They reduce water loss through transpiration, reflect excess sunlight, and protect the plant from grazing insects. Under magnification, the leaf surface appears like a forest of white fibers, each glistening with microscopic crystals of wax, a natural armor evolved through thousands of years of survival in harsh climates. As the camera slowly zooms out, the mountain once again absorbs these quiet lives into its vast landscape. The scene fades to silence, a reminder that even in the stillness of stone and wind, a hidden civilization of life continues its eternal work.